Hey, we're gonna look at the EcoFlow and the generator itself and how it's actually hooked up to my system and how it's gonna decrease my AC unit costs. Let's take a look at it. Here it is plugged in. It's plugged into an outlet cable over here. Pretty messy. Go there, go there, and then let's see. It's all the way over here and to my wall outlet. Now let's go take a look at the solar panels itself too. Here's my solar panels set up, just mounted to the ground. Not even mounted, just put on bricks, elevated it, and yeah. And it's pretty rainy today, so yeah. Let's take a look at the app and how I'm setting it up to not even have any smart controllers. Here we have phone apps. So here's EcoFlow, and here right now is putting solar 80 watts, and it is charging, and the house is decreasing. So let's take a look. Right here, every single panel, 80 watts, and it's going to the grid is 50 watts, okay? So let's see. And then you could set the timer of when you want it over, this is the home, settings, and right here, you edit. So right here I have at 100 hours to 11, it goes 50 watts into the grid. And then at 11:30, when my AC unit turns on, 800 watts goes into the grid and then stops and then repeats and stops right there. So I have this, a Sensei thermostat, and you could adjust the schedule and edit the schedule, and I have the schedule, copy it. So when it's 11:30, the AC turns on and just blast it to as low as possible, and then shuts off, and then turns on, and then shuts off. So this is how I am decreasing my power bill, hopefully every year or every month when the sun's out. As right here tells me total earnings I had for around 2 weeks right now. So around 33 cents there, 40 cents there. It depends how much solar you could get is how much you could save. So yeah, let's see, year, and that is it. If you have any questions, this is the best way to go solar and save money. I wish there was a more easier DIY setup than a plug and play. It's sort of really crazy when you plug it in and it's like, oh, this is electricity. I'm decreased my demand. This is how electricity is being made. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. And it looks like yesterday, while I was on the floor, it created about 2,000 kilowatts. Let's look by monthly. Total is around 4,550 kilowatt hours. So yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys.